coming back to my channel. And in this video I'm going to show you how to make this cute little tent. I made it for my guinea pigs and they love it. The size does vary on how big your cage actually is, but I'm using this one so whenever I have my guinea pigs out and running, they can run, in and out of it. And I do have some recommendations at the end of this video if you are looking to put something inside of your cage. So stay tuned till the end and let's get started. So I hope you enjoyed that video. The only thing that I would change about this specific teepee is shortening the rods to maybe around 9 or 10 inches and then shortening the angle. So instead of like a 90-degree angle, maybe like a 75-degree angle. I do feel like this size is good for guinea pigs that live together. Mine are all separate because they don't get along. But Timmy here likes it a lot. It wasn't for him, but it's his now. So if you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe while you're down there. I'm going to be listing everything that I used today in the description box below. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye!